Hey everyone, welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're looking for a safe, sturdy, and easy-to-carry ladder for home, work, or DIY projects, this video's for you. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best lightweight ladders selected for their durability, portability, height options, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. All right, let's jump right in. Number 1. VEVOR Telescoping Ladder. Need a ladder that transforms from compact storage into full working height? The VEVOR Telescoping Ladder handles that transition smoothly. Built from aluminum with reinforced nylon connectors, it supports up to 375 pounds, serious weight capacity for heavy-duty work. The widened rungs at 1.56 inches give your feet actual room to stand comfortably, reducing leg fatigue during those longer projects on height. The one-button extension system includes a slow descent feature that prevents finger pinching, which matters when you're working alone or in tight spaces. Operation stays straightforward without complicated locking mechanisms or confusing setup procedures. At just 2.3 feet when retracted, it tucks away easily in closets, garages, or under stairs. Extended to 8.5 feet, it handles indoor and outdoor tasks from painting walls to accessing storage areas without requiring multiple ladder sizes. Portability matters here. The weight stays manageable, so carrying it between locations doesn't exhaust you before work even starts. Number 2. KINGRACK Aluminum Stepladder. Sometimes you need something simple that just works. The KINGRACK 5-step approach uses aviation-grade aluminum, keeping everything under 14.1 pounds despite solid construction. The corrosion-resistant material handles outdoor exposure without rusting, so leaving it in the garage or garden doesn't cause deterioration over seasons. Anti-slip pedals with horizontal patterns give your feet genuine grip even when wearing smooth-soled shoes or working in damp conditions. The molded foot covers protect floors from scratches and add stability on smooth surfaces like tile or linoleum. The triangular structure with cross-metal supports prevents wobble that drives people crazy on cheaper ladders. The safety lock holds treads securely, keeping everything tight instead of shifting mid-project. Folded down to 1.8 inches thick, it slides under sofas, into closets, or squeezed into tight storage corners without taking up valuable space. The fully opened configuration handles most household tasks comfortably. Number 3. BONTEC Step Stool Ladder. Looking for serious load capacity? The BONTEC handles up to 400 pounds, providing confidence when dealing with heavy projects or multiple people on the same ladder. High-grade steel construction ensures it doesn't flex or feel unstable during demanding work. The wide anti-slip pedals paired with rubber feet prevent both slipping and floor damage simultaneously. The sponge-wrapped handrail adds genuine comfort during extended use. Your hands don't get beat up by cold metal edges. That practical tool tray changes everything operationally. You're not climbing down constantly to grab tools, paint buckets, or supplies. Everything stays within arm's reach, dramatically improving efficiency and safety. At 18.7 pounds, it's portable without feeling flimsy, and folding down to 2.7 inches makes storage manageable. Pre-assembled steps mean unboxing and immediate use. No fumbling with instructions or spending an hour assembling before you can work. Number 4. BEFITMACE 4-Step Ladder. Want something lightweight without sacrificing capability? The BEFITMACE 4-stepper proves you can have both. Aluminum frame construction supports 330 pounds while staying incredibly light at 9.8 pounds, genuinely portable without compromise. The modern styling actually complements home decor instead of looking purely utilitarian. Folding to just over 2 inches thick opens storage possibilities in apartments, condos, or homes where space matters. Closets, garages, tight corners, it fits everywhere without dominating storage areas. The wide anti-slip pedals and reinforced side braces prevent accidents on smooth kitchen tiles or bathroom floors where most home ladder use happens. versatility extends across household scenarios: kitchens, bedrooms, libraries, classrooms, workshops. Reaching shelves, changing light bulbs, painting accent walls, accessing closet tops, this ladder handles typical household heights efficiently. Number 5. BOCOM Telescoping Ladder. The BOCOM brings innovation to telescoping design with triangular stabilizers that genuinely reduce wobble. You'll notice the difference compared to standard telescoping models. High-quality aluminum alloy tubes with reinforced nylon components support 330 pounds while resisting deformation under load. The sliding latches lock securely with satisfying clicks that confirm proper positioning. 1-foot increment adjustments let you dial in exact heights for various tasks, avoiding unnecessary climbing or straining to reach from insufficient heights. Textured steps prevent slipping across different environmental conditions, from dry garage work to damp outdoor projects. Anti-slip feet maintain stability on wood, concrete, tile, or other common surfaces. The integrated handle and Velcro strap transform portability. Carrying feels natural instead of awkward or tiring. Compact folding fits behind cabinets, under beds, or into car trunks, expanding where storage becomes possible. And that wraps up our picks for the top 5 best lightweight ladders. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.